I want to catch them up top in the puddle. Oh, there they go. Look at them taking a bath. I wish they'd go back up on the second rock. I like the little ones in the bottom. They're so cute. I don't even know if I'm going to get it on film. You see them? I mean, I guess I could do close up. Whoop, they're going to fly on me. No, I don't know how to do this like Taylor does.